Muthia bunge ya bururi riu iri na kamiti iria ituaga matua ma ni mihango iriku igutabanio bunge-ini thutha wa maritwa ma ambunge a kuma miahu yeri ya kiuteti kuhetukio. Spika wa bunge ya bururi Moses Wetangula ni wori koragwo ari muikariri giti wa kamiti ino na hamwe na memba angi aria mari thiini wayo ni mutongoria wa aria aingi Kimani wa Icũng'wa na murunawe wa aria nini Opiyo Wandayi na huri musharisha kuma mwena wa Kenya Kwanza na Azimio aria ni Silvana Sosoro na Junet Mohamed. Age aria makuruhanitio kamiti-ini ino ni Samuel Chepkonga, Faith Getao, Kasim Sheikh, Robert Mbui, Omboko Milemba, Aden Keinan, TJ Kajwan, Sarah Korere na Joshua Mwalio.
I think it's a very well balanced committee representing the independents, the veteran members, the new members, and even those who represent smaller parties and the parliamentary political parties we have.
The honorable members who have been placed on that very important committee do qualify, and in my view are more than equal to the task.
Honorable members, that now brings the House to a level where we can now start processing and transacting your business.
Kamiti ino yafatie guthondekwo ihinda-ini ria thiku 7 kuma President Ruto ariria bunge no igicerithirio kumana na ndũgamano iria yehandite yani mwahuri kuri na uingi wa ambunge na itua riu ni riaheanirwo ni Spika Moses Wetangula kiumia githiru na kuria Kenya Kwanza manirirwo gukorwo na uingi wa ambunge.
This is a committee that will help us to form the selections committee, the committee on appointments, and even confirm our own calendar.
This committee is going to work in a bipartisan manner and prioritize issues that are of interest to the country.
No ndũgamano no ĩgiĩ ya aingĩ bunge-inĩ ironekana tete guthiraga yatĩra. Ngwatanĩro ya Azimio nĩ yanĩrĩire atĩ nĩ gũthiĩ igoti-ini kuregana na itua rĩa Wetangula.
If you are minority or majority, then that influences the number in the committees. Sindio? And this is a matter ambayo nimezungumza kwamba sisi wenyewe tuko kwa mahakama. In the meantime, we have given instructions to our leadership in the House to remain seized with this matter. And I know they are.
Umwe wa maundu maria mangihutio ni ndũgamano ya kũmba kamĩtĩ ici nĩ gũthũrima arĩa mamũrĩtwo ta minister na mũtongoria wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka nĩ ũrĩtie ambunge arĩa magũkorwo kamĩtĩ-inĩ ya kũmathũrima kũregana na minister arĩa marĩ na macire magoti-inĩ na ningĩ matigetĩkĩre kũhakwo nĩguo mamahetũkie.
To urge our members of parliament, the appointments committee, is it also being set up today? Yes. The appointments committee must take this matter very seriously. And I want to ask EAC and other governance institutions to really prove the worth the Kenyan taxpayer has put on their table.
Maya magithiaga na mbere nayo ngwatanĩro ya Kenya Kwanza nĩtanyitwo gũtabania mũcemanio wa ambunge na president nĩguo kũhetũkia marĩtwa marĩa magũkorwo thĩinĩ wa kamĩtĩ citiganĩte. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Kimani wa igoti-ini.